Catholic Charities provides 3 million pounds of food annually to over 130,000 individuals. The pillars of the food pantry services for Catholic Charities are accessibility, education, and sustainability.
There are a lot of communities right near Durham that don't have the number of pantries that Durham provides to its citizens, and so to be able to reach out to people in Hillsborough, we'd like to do more in other spots as well, but to have a mobile pantry where someone can drive just like they're driving to our pantry in Durham, especially now, I mean with gas prices how they are, driving 30 minutes to get food when you're financially challenged. When we think about people's ability to access food, we've tried to do more in Durham to make it more accessible to everyone so that you don't have to have a car. You can ride the city bus. We'll provide you luggage to take the food so you don't have to have bags and boxes. The fact that the organization as a whole is looking at how do we serve all areas, not just people living in big cities, is something important.
Everyone's really excited about it, and when I'm in the office with them explaining it, they're like, oh wow, like I've never heard of that, never experienced that before. It's all about the client getting to go through all of our food groups and choose the things that are best for them, their dietary needs. If they have any allergies or food restrictions, it gives them primary choice rather than us creating a more general assumption about the foods that they would eat. They're the ones being empowered to have choice. So it's a new experience, and for some of them, just getting the chance to shop around is really exciting, that they can just pick and not worry about the cost of the things in their cart. You know, they're not having to add up or choose one thing over another.
My name is Jenny Ryan. I'm the Nutrition Education Manager here at the Food Bank of Central and Eastern North Carolina. We have been working with Catholic Charities Wilmington for about 2.5 years through the Healthy Pantry program. So we worked with them in their traditional model of incorporating nutrition education into their site. And when they started the client choice aspect, they came to us asking for best practice strategies on layout. So we worked very closely with them on what a healthy pantry layout could look like, food displays, what is most empowering for clients to select and identify the healthy foods that will be in the pantry.
I'm Kelly Rappel. I am the Program Director for Catholic Parish Outreach. Our facility is 16,000 square feet. We are the largest food pantry in the Triangle. We feel a great responsibility to making sure that we get as much food into the community that's healthy and is going to be providing for the families that we can. We are a silver level healthy food pantry with the Food Bank of Central and Eastern North Carolina. What that means is we gear our groceries based on health needs and religious needs. Pre-pandemic, we were serving about 8,200 people a month, which was about 2,400 families, and the peak that we've ever served in one day is 304 families.
I'm Ron Pringle. I'm the President and CEO of the Interfaith Food Shuttle. That partnership has evolved and grew over the years as the need in the community changed. And that's what made Catholic Charities so great in partnering with them, because they were able to focus on those needs, immediate needs when it comes to food, but they were able to address individuals that needed just that extra boost to get over the hurdle. And Interfaith was able to support that by being a resource. And a part of that resource is providing that healthy, nutritious, fresh produce. In that service delivery model, you know, what we try to share is that we don't see clients, we see neighbors.
I think it restores a lot of dignity and respect to people, and it just builds connection, which is really good.
We treat people like we want to be treated, so there's a level of dignity, there's a level of respect that wherever you fall within that community, you're valued.
We have a culture here that believes that everyone has a story and is important.
You can fall into a category as a volunteer. You can fall into a category and be a donor. You know, a neighbor could be a client. where they're relying on these services for the very first time.
The process was easy, the people, it was easy, the staff. So really, I just feel like it was a blessing.
It was amazing. I was not expecting to get this much. This is going to help us out so much. I just want to really cry because we just needed the help right now.
And to see people coming together to serve and to feed others is truly gratifying.
We look at this as a community system, a food systems framework, where we're all neighbors, so we're all a part of the solution.
Catholic Charities is excited to expand our food pantry services by nourishing our neighbors. Additionally, Catholic Charities has recently committed $1 million of reserves to developing and implementing innovative food service models. We're excited to expand our focus on nutrition education with test kitchens, cooking classes, and client choice pantries. We're planning to develop relationships with local farmers to source more produce locally, creating greater access to healthy food, and building experiential knowledge through community gardens. We're exploring the creation of social enterprise to provide an avenue for individuals to support the reimagining of food pantry services through their everyday purchasing decisions.